Just remain standing and face the clerk.
You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you should give to the personal information.
Step right up here, sir. Just watch your step. Sir. Thank you.
May proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Could you state your name and spell your last name for the record?
Yes, my name is William Foley, Foley.
And where do you work, sir?
I work for U.S. Customs and Border Protection.
What does the U.S. Customs and Border Protection do?
The U.S. Customs and Border Protection inspects arriving merchandise, cargo, and travelers traveling into and out of the United States.
And how long have you been with U.S. Customs and Border Protection?
With U.S. Customs and Border Protection for 13 years.
And what are your responsibilities there?
My responsibilities are mainly to inspect documents of individuals that are traveling into and out of the United States.
Are you familiar, as a result, with a system known as TEX, T-E-C-S?
Yes.
Can you tell us what that is?
Sure. So TEX is a law enforcement tool that basically stores arriving and departing records for individuals that are traveling into and out of the United States.
And who has access to it?
U.S. Customs and Border Protection.
And how are entries in TEX generated?
They're mainly inputted by the airlines when passengers travel internationally on aircraft.
Now, are you familiar with another system called APIS?
Yes.
Can you tell us what that is?
Yes, so APIS stands for Advanced Passenger Information System. It's a system used by the airlines to transmit travel data of passengers traveling into and out of the United States.
And what interaction does that have with TEX?
Once a record is inputted into APIS, it's transmitted to TEX within 72 hours of a traveler's arrival or departure into the United States.
And what would someone who's traveling in or out of the United States need to give in order to have their information go into APIS?
A passport.
And now, what happens if someone has dual citizenship and has two passports?
So the airlines scan whichever passport or record whatever passport is provided to them by the traveler.
And if someone has dual citizenship, would it record still that they're coming or leaving the country?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
So if someone has dual citizenship and they use another country's passport, does it still get recorded into APIS?
Yes.
Okay. Now, sir, you've earlier provided some documentation from TEX that's been stipulated to as Exhibit 82. Your Honor, with the court's permission, the Commonwealth would seek to publish Exhibit 82.
And the description of Exhibit 82 is what?
A two-page TEX document having the name Anna Walshe.
Is it from one of these two systems?
It is from the TECS system by U.S. Customs and Border Protection.
All right, the 2 pages of TECS documents are now admitted into evidence as Exhibit 82.
Thank you, Your Honor. Yes. And this is pre-marked as 82? It's okay. We're literally on the same page. So, Mr. Foley, can you see the screen, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I'd like you to walk us through this document. The date at the top left-hand corner in time, what is that, sir?
July 8th, 2025.
And underneath that, encounter date start and encounter end date, what are those two dates representing?
Those dates are the travel records from January 1st, 2022 and ending on July 7th, 2025 pertaining to Anna Walshe.
And what is the date of birth?
Date of birth is April 12th, 1983.
And scrolling down, sir, there is 2 lines of entry with Anna Walsh's name. Can you walk us through what those 2 lines represent?
Sure. So the bottom line shows that Anna Walsh departed the United States on November 23rd, 2022, and returned to the United States on December 7th, 2022.
So on that bottom line, after November 23rd, 2022, there is a UA under carrier code. What's that mean, sir?
That stands for United Airlines.
And what does the O in the next column mean, sir?
That stands for outbound.
And now, sir, it says on board. What is the significance of that?
That shows that the airline confirmed that she was on board the aircraft.
Now, on the top row of data, right above that, what does LH mean under carrier code?
That stands for Lufthansa Airlines.
And what does the I mean, sir?
Inbound.
Now, underneath that, there is a legend, and can you just run through the legend for us as far as what the codes and values are next to them?
Sure. So DUB is Dublin, Ireland. FRA, Frankfurt International Airport in Frankfurt, Germany. BOS is Boston Logan International Airport. And IAD is Dulles International Airport in Washington, D.C.
And sir, other than those 2 entries, were there any other records of Anna Walsh traveling outside the country from January 1st, 2022 to your July date in 2025?
No, sir.
Nothing further with Mr. Foley, Your Honor.
Any cross?
The records that have been admitted as Exhibit 82, they're not public records, are they?
No, sir.
Okay.
Any redirect?
No, Your Honor.
The witness may step down. Thank you.
Patrick Reardon.